Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Now that's a powerful statement. It highlights the importance of passive income, a form of earning that doesn't require your constant attention or input. In the world of finance, passive income is the golden goose, a ticket to financial freedom. Now, there are many ways to earn passive income, but today, we're focusing on one with immense potential: affiliate marketing. It's a business model where you earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's like being a middleman, but here, you don't have to worry about inventory or delivery. Your primary role is to connect the product with the buyer. So, are you ready to break the chains of the 9-to-5 grind and step into the world of financial freedom? Today, we will be guiding you through the steps to start your own affiliate marketing venture. Before we dive into the steps, let's clarify what affiliate marketing actually is. Picture this: you're the middleman in a transaction, connecting the buyer and the seller in the vast digital marketplace. This is the essence of affiliate marketing. It's a performance-based business model where you promote a company's product or service, and in return, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Imagine being an influencer for a moment. You love a product, you share it with your followers, they buy it through your link, and voila, you've just earned a cut of the profit. But you don't need to be an influencer to succeed in affiliate marketing. Anyone can do it. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income, as it allows you to make money while you sleep, fulfilling the wise words of Warren Buffett. Now that we understand what affiliate marketing is, let's move on to how you can get started. The first step in starting an affiliate marketing venture is choosing your niche. Now you might ask, what's a niche? It's simply a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. Identifying your niche is crucial, and here's why. Choosing a niche you're passionate about makes the process not just more enjoyable, but also more sustainable. You'll be investing a lot of time and energy into understanding your chosen market, so it helps tremendously if you're genuinely interested in it. Think about it. Would you rather spend hours researching and promoting something you love, or something you find utterly dull? The answer is clear, isn't it? Moreover, your passion will shine through in your content, and that can greatly influence your audience. People can tell when you're genuinely enthusiastic about something, and that authenticity can enhance trust and engagement. Once you've chosen your niche, you're ready to move on to the next step. After identifying your niche, the next step is finding affiliate programs that align with your chosen field. There are numerous platforms available to find these programs. You might want to consider popular ones like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate, which offer a wide range of products and services. However, don't just stop at the platform level. Dive deeper. Look at the individual programs within these platforms. It's crucial to choose programs that offer good commission rates. But remember, a high commission rate doesn't necessarily equate to a great program. You also need to consider the reputation of the program. Do they have positive reviews? Do they pay on time? These are essential factors to consider. Also, think about the relevance of the products or services to your niche. The more relevant they are, the higher the chances of your audience engaging with them, thereby increasing your potential earnings. After identifying suitable affiliate programs, it's time to create your platform. Now it's time to create your platform, which can be a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account. This is the stage where you lay the groundwork for your affiliate marketing journey. Think of your platform as the stage where you perform. It's the place where you will engage with your audience, share your insights, and of course promote your affiliate products. But before you can take the spotlight, you need to set the stage. And that involves creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Consider this: why should someone visit your blog or watch your YouTube videos? The answer lies in the value that you provide. Your content should be informative, engaging, and most importantly, relevant to your chosen niche. It should answer questions, solve problems, or provide insights that your audience is seeking. But creating great content is just one part of the equation. To ensure that your platform reaches the right audience, you need a solid marketing strategy. This could involve leveraging search engine optimization to increase your visibility on search engines, using social media to reach a wider audience, or even collaborating with influencers in your niche. Remember, the more traffic you drive to your platform, the more opportunities you have to promote your affiliate products. And as your audience grows, so does your potential for generating passive income. With a platform in place and great content, You're now ready to start promoting your affiliate products. Finally, it's time to start promoting your affiliate products. This is where the rubber meets the road. All your previous efforts in choosing a niche, finding affiliate programs, and creating your platform lead to this crucial moment. There are various strategies to effectively promote affiliate products. One of the most potent ways is content marketing. This could be in the form of blog posts, podcasts, or even videos. The goal is to create valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate products. This is not a blatant sales pitch, but rather a subtle introduction of the product within the context of your content. Another effective strategy is email marketing. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your audience, providing them with valuable information and recommending products that can solve their problems. But remember, the foundation of successful promotion is trust. It's essential to be honest and transparent with your audience about the products you're promoting. Provide honest reviews, pointing out both the strengths and weaknesses of the product. This will not only build trust but also set realistic expectations for your audience. Social media platforms can also be leveraged to promote your affiliate products. These platforms provide a space for engagement and interaction, allowing you to connect with your audience on a personal level. With consistent effort and the right strategies, you can start earning passive income through affiliate marketing. Remember, the key to success in this field is patience and persistence. If you have found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel and kindly also turn on your notification button so that you will be informed every time we put out content. Until next time, keep moving and focusing on the goal for financial freedom.